Hi guys, it's Coach Sam from Svelte Training, and today I'm going to be preparing a keto taco bowl. And if you hear a little bit of sizzling, that is my turkey that's cooking right now. So real quick, I'm gonna get into some of these recipes, so stay with me. So I have green peppers, avocados, cilantro, tomatoes, lime, cauliflower rice, red cabbage, and I have some ground turkey that's cooking. So this bowl is real simple, real easy, and it's quick. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started on our ground turkey being cooked. I've already started some of it because ground turkey does take a little bit of time. So I'm gonna go show you real quick what we got stirred up. So I have the ground turkey all done. I put a little bit, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in here. And then I did some minced, whatever you wanna say, garlic. So that is all done and cooked. So when it comes to turkey, it tends to be a little bit watery. So make sure that before you put it in your bowl, you're going to be draining this. All right, so I'm gonna go grab a bowl really quick so I can show you how to place this and make this. Super simple, super fast. I have a lot of stuff already chopped up here for you. So we're gonna start with our red cabbage that's already chopped. Put in the bowl. Ta-da! It's nice, cute. I'm gonna make a mess, I promise. I have cauliflower rice. It is not cooked. I don't want not cooked cauliflower rice. Oh, I do want not cooked cauliflower rice because I want a little bit of a crunch in there. Then what we have here is our green onion. So I'm gonna slice up some of this green onion. And this is a very forgiving bowl. You can put whatever you want, whatever size. You wanna be sure that you're using fresh ingredients. If there's something that you don't like, you're more than welcome to use something else. But it's just pretty much like a nice taco bowl. It's really easy. So I have tomatoes here. I'm going to chop these tomatoes up for you. Put those in there. Really nice. And I like to do like a little bit of a corner of everything. So I have tomatoes, I have peppers, I have the turkey, I have the avocado. So I'm just gonna put it all together. And then when I bite into it, I just kind of take a little bit of each ingredient. So I got one more tomato over here, and I just use small little cherry tomatoes. The sugar bomb tomatoes are the bomb. They're so good and they're so sweet. You can literally eat them by themselves. Then I'm gonna take my turkey that is nice and cooked over here, drain it out, put it in my bowl, and then making sure that I'm putting 2 spoonfuls. I have some cumin powder and some cayenne. I'm gonna do drizzle on top, give it a little bit of flavor, give it a little bit of heat. And for the final touches is my avocado. I'm gonna take out that seed, slice it. When you're slicing avocados in the skin, be sure that you're not pushing it all the way through because you don't want to cut yourself. But it is nice to pre-slice everything inside the avocado because then it's not sliding around. I'm gonna take a spoon, dip that all the way in, pull it out, slice my avocado just like that, and you'll see when they're separate, they're very thin slices. And then I have a lime here that I'm just going to drizzle that lime. Top it off with some cilantro and you're done. I literally have 3 bowls. I've been doing this all day. So easy, so yummy, so fun. You can see they're really big portions. They're not something small, healthy, fast, lunch, dinner, whatever you like, and that's it, simple as that. So if you like more nutrition videos just like this, click the link below, check out all of our videos. We have workouts, we have nutrition, we have everything that you need right here and there, seeing Mare, Grace, and everybody. So thanks guys, enjoy.